Ever wondered, could there be places in France that feel more like a dream than reality? Today, we're diving into the surreal, the mystical, the dreamlike locales scattered across France. These aren't your typical tourist spots. No, these are the hidden gems that possess an almost otherworldly charm. In this journey we'll be your guide, unraveling the unique allure of these enigmatic places. So buckle up, because it's time to step out of reality and into the extraordinary. Prepare to be amazed as we navigate through these extraordinary French landscapes. Imagine stepping into a forest steeped in legends and myths. Welcome to the forest of Brocéliande. This enchanted forest in the heart of Brittany, France is brimming with tales as old as time. It's said to be the magical playground of the legendary King Arthur and his Knights of the Round Table. Here, the whispers of the old world echo through the ancient oaks and the tranquil streams. The forest is a realm of fantasy, where reality and legend blur. Among its unique features is the Fountain of Youth, said to bestow eternal youth to those who drink from it. Then there's Merlin's tomb, a mystical site believed to be the final resting place of the famous wizard. This forest is more than just a collection of trees and trails. It's a living, breathing testament to the power of storytelling and the enduring allure of myth. The forest of Brocéliande, where reality intertwines with the mystical, offers an experience unlike any other. Next, we journey to the village that inspired Monet, the picturesque Giverny. Nestled in the heart of Normandy, this dreamlike hamlet is like stepping into one of Monet's impressionist masterpieces. The village is awash with vibrant colors, from the pink blossoms that line the cobblestone streets, to the emerald green lily pads that float atop the village pond. Giverny's beauty is not just skin-deep. Its tranquil environment, the gentle lull of the Seine River, and the soft rustling of willow trees all contributed to the calming atmosphere that so deeply influenced Monet's art. The painter's home, a charming pink and green house, is preserved just as it was during his time, allowing us a glimpse into his world. Here, art and life seamlessly blend together. Every corner, every view mirrors the scenes Monet immortalized on his canvas. Giverny, a living painting that blurs the line between reality and art. From a painter's paradise we move to a desert in the midst of a forest, the Dune du Pilat. Nestled in the heart of France, this towering spectacle is the tallest sand dune in Europe. Now picture this, a vast desert stretching as far as the eye can see. But instead of being flanked by arid land, it's surrounded by a lush, verdant forest. Quite surreal, isn't it? The Dune du Pilat isn't just a sight for sore eyes, it's an adventurer's playground. Imagine standing atop this colossal mound of sand, the wind rustling through your hair, a sandboard strapped to your feet. With a deep breath and a rush of adrenaline, you plunge down the dune, carving a path through the fine, sun-warmed sand. It's a thrill like no other, a ride that makes your heart pound and your spirit soar. Dune du Pilat, a desert dream in the heart of a lush forest. France, a country renowned for its culture and beauty, houses places that feel more like a dream than reality. We've taken a journey through the unusual and incredible, venturing into landscapes that defy our understanding of the real world. We started off in the enchanted forest of Brocéliande, a place that's deeply steeped in Arthurian legend. Its ethereal aura is so captivating that you could almost see the mythical creatures lurking behind the ancient trees. The forest holds an air of magic and mystery, making the tales of King Arthur and Merlin feel so tangible. Next, we visited the picturesque village of Giverny. With its charming houses, blooming gardens, and water lilies, it's no wonder this place inspired the legendary artist Claude Monet. It's like stepping into one of his impressionist paintings, a world where everything is bathed in a soft, dreamlike glow. And lastly, we journeyed to the surreal sands of Dune du Pilat. This massive dune isn't just the tallest in Europe, it's a pure marvel of nature. The ever-shifting sands create a constantly changing landscape, making you feel like you're in a desert mirage. Each of these places holds a unique sense of wonder, challenging our perceptions of reality. They offer experiences that are truly out of this world. France invites you to step into these dreamlike landscapes, where the line between reality and fantasy becomes beautifully blurred. Thank you for watching Buckeye Travel.